Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
I'm feeling very springy in the she shop. We're going to work on a project today. It's this. So does anybody remember me buying this? I picked it up at a thrift store and I thought I was going to put it out at Christmas time, and then I just fell out of love with it. First, it skews Christmas because of these, right? This is what's making me feel Christmas. Get rid of those. So that makes it feel Christmassy, right? So now we've got a birdhouse, but then we got a bird and he's sitting sideways out of the hole. So I feel like, he's got to go, right? And now I have a cute little church that could very well be springy and Eastery, because I went to a garage sale, Naomi's garage sale, and got a bunch of Easter eggs this year. So when Naomi had she runs a nonprofit and they do a big garage sale every year, I picked these up. There were 3 bags of them in different colors. There's that one, and this one's got more of the coral pinks, and that one. And I'm thinking this could be cute. Could be. It's not right now. This is not cute. Like the bird was weird. I don't know, this is weird too. Like somebody put I think it was a planter, obviously, but I don't think that was in it. Oh, there we go. Push that down. What's with the plastic? I don't know. The bird sitting sideways was just weirding me out, so he had to go. But now what do we do? Right? So I've got these hideous vines on everything. Anyway, this is our project. I pulled out spring flowers instead of Christmas flowers, and in it is some grasses. And then I got a little tool. Maybe I'll use the tool, maybe I won't use the tool. And we have the eggs. So that's what I want to do in here. I want to kind of create a little eggy thing, but I think I need to... The whole thing just isn't talking to me. Made in China. All right, well, it's going to be improved in America. I don't know. Ugh. The vine, it's got to go for sure. For sure, I think the vine has to go. It's just stapled on. I don't love it. Okay. You can see the staples. I don't get it. And if I don't get it, I don't like it. Like, I have to understand the thought process here, right? And sticking the bird to the side. No bird is just hanging out sideways, right? It would have been sitting on here. This is where the bird should sit. Not over there. I don't think we'll reuse that bird. Come here, birdie. Oh, he's got a big stem on him too. But I mean, a bird would normally sit like this. We could reuse him, but he's red. I don't know, I thought I had other birds. We'll find another bird. Maybe we'll find another bird. Maybe we'll reuse that bird. I went to another garage sale last year. The one where the mother-in-law had gone into a nursing home and they were selling all her craft stuff. And I bought a bag. Nope, it's the one where the person had died. It was an estate sale. And I got the footstool there too. And I got like a whole bag of little birds and stuff. So they're here somewhere. I will find them. And I believe there's a more color appropriate bird, but if we have to reuse this one, don't you think he'd be sitting like that, right? Not like that. I'm just like, So much wrong. But first things first, I think I need to deal with the vine and give this an extra coat of paint. I don't hate what's happening here with the paint, but I don't absolutely love what's happening here with the paint. I feel like it needs a little more paint, a little more dry brushing. Yeah, for sure. But the vine has to go. So I'm going to start pulling the staples here and get that vine off there. I don't love that. It's going to have a different look when we're done. Okay. So I brought my little nippers down too, because any of them that I can't get out are getting cut. Ooh. Oh, and an awl. Why? Because I feel like the tip of that's going to fit underneath there better. My glasses are polycarbonate. But if you don't have glasses that are polycarbonate, please wear safety goggles. That came right out. Because you do not want to get a staple in your eye or debris of any kind. And this stuff will tend to fling. So please wear safety glasses. My glasses are safety glasses because I'm doing this all the time. This is easier. So the wreath is off the front, and then I went ahead and got the hot glue off of this little perch. And it's easier to break the vine, get rid of the vine, and then pull them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break the vine off. Because it was way easier after I did that. Oh, this is like sharp. It's got sharp bits on it. Okay. I imagine like a factory worker in China, and she's stapling the crap out of this vine going, God, this is ugly. I mean, I can feel her. She's like, this is hideous. And she's got to do it because it's her job. But she was probably like, okay. And here I am stripping it all off. I like to think, like, if she's over there watching this YouTube video, she's like, yes, thank you for taking that off. I had ideas. They wouldn't let me implement them because that was hideous. I would make that so much cuter. Is that just my inner monologue in a factory? I'd be like, oh, I mean, I'll staple it on there, but I could have done better. We could have made this so cute if they just put a little thought into it. What I'd like to do is take this moss and put it in between where I've clearly destroyed from pulling the staples, the roof. So it kind of looks like a little thatched roof instead of the vines. I just think it would add a nice color to it. But again, I need to get some paint on this first before I really wreck it. This is matte white paint. I just want it more white. My brush is wet because I need this to be liquidy to kind of get in and fill in the gaps. Just need it to have a fresher white. All right, as long as I have the white out, I'm gonna make this spire white as well. I just feel like it's weird that it's not. And probably the little cupola down here as well. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right. Let's move on to the gluing portion. Okay, we're gonna start with thatching the roof. And it has absolutely nothing to do with the fact that I cannot locate my glue gun. And I don't know who would have told you that. All right, so we're going to take our moss, and I've got some Mod Podge, and I'm going to put it in between these little areas, which I think it's going to be better if it's facing that way. This will hide all those little places where I had staples. All the staples I pulled out of there. We're still going to glue that piece back on, but let's get some grasses up underneath there. This is gonna be a mess. Okay, that's better. I think that was so much cuter. Oh, wait. We're going to put some in the back here. Down in here. And I am going to glue it. So I'm going to actually dump some Mod Podge in here. Don't judge me. We need glue. I know it's going all in there, but I just want to make sure there's something on some of the stuff to hold it in place a little bit. All right. Otherwise moss gets everywhere. Put that down in there. Okay, I have my glue gun heating up here. Hint, it was not in this room. I love when they borrow my tools, but they don't bring them back. Okay, so I think I am going to go with the speckled ones here, but I like the blues. Let's see if we can get our color scheme ready here. And possibly this little one that skews more green. So now we're full of eggs. I want to get some flowers in there. Looking flowers, look in there. No. Okay, I got the all out again, and I'm just pushing this down in there. Yeah, before I glue these in, I'm gonna figure out where the tool's gonna be, because I like that. Okay, a little fluff in there. Cut another piece of tulle. It doesn't have to be very long, and then I'm just twisting it together. Just to fill in the gaps there. I paid $3 for this roll of tulle at a garage sale. Now, the front. Let me see if I can find a different bird. I am not able to locate another bird, so we're going to have to deal with this one. First things first, ditch this stick, because he's not going to be hanging out the hole. Clip that down. That is hot glue. We need to get that off there so he will sit flat. And let's fix this wing that has gone rogue. And then we are taking this wing off because he needs to sit flush. I know. It's a hot mess right now. Working with what we got, folks. And now the bird is sitting where he's supposed to. I put some moss in there, and I've got a cute little Easter bird house church thing. I don't know. I just think it's more spring. I love the thatched roof and the fact that this is now white. This needed to be white. And the thatched roof definitely is an improvement over the vines. These wooden, I don't know about the eggs. I like the eggs, but at the same time, it's very then Easter, right? And I'm worried that it's not useful enough. I don't know, like it's one season then. Again, like the Christmas thing, but we'll see how it does. It's going to go in the shop now, but this is an improvement. This is an improvement. This is an improvement. And this is definitely an improvement. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.